karanjetlilive.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Casio G-Shock Mudmaster gwg-2000-1a1. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you I paid around 180 Omani Riyals for it, and which is equivalent to about 468 American dollars. And let us take it out. So guys, this is a typical G-Shock box. Okay, and guys, here it is. So guys, this is Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG-2000. So guys, if you can look at this, you can see this watch is big in size. Okay, so it is thick also, and it is wide also. So it is a big watch. So the case size of this watch is about 54 and this watch, it comes with this sapphire crystal glass. Okay, and guys, this watch is bit heavy as compared to other G-Shock slow. So the weight of this watch is about 106 grams. Okay, and you can see the case of this watch, it is made up of stainless steel and this resin thing. Okay, so here it is. And guys, the good thing about this watch is, or the unique thing about this watch is, it is radio controlled. So guys, what do you mean by radio controlled? It means like it can automatically adjust the time from the radio signal which is generated by atomic clock transmitter. Means if you go to the region where they have atomic clocks and they are transmitting the time over the radio frequency, it will automatically pick the frequency and auto adjust the time for it. Okay, so right now this service is working in US, Germany, Japan, UK, and some parts of China, but I am here in Middle East. Still we do not have this service available. So guys, now this is a tough solar watch, so it needs very limited sunlight to charge the battery, and on a single charge it can work for about 6 months. Okay, and other things is, so guys, this watch is loaded with features. So it has a compass, so you can see this. So it is in the compass mode, it is pointing to the north. So it has a altimeter, so it will tell me the altitude, and it has a thermometer, it has a barometer, and then it has a stopwatch, world time, and a lot of things, the typical G-Shock features. Okay, and it comes with this white backlight which is very bright. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, I will like to wear it on my wrist so that you can have an idea like how it looks and feels on the wrist. So guys, here it is. So already I am wearing my Casio Pro Track. Okay, so let us take it out and let us wear this. So guys, here it is. So this is our Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 2000 radio controlled. So guys, that's all for today. Soon we will take it outdoors. We will test this watch thoroughly. We will check the each and every feature, and I'll keep making videos for it. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.